Alright, so here is my new kayak. It's a Pelican Strike 100X, the Angler Edition. Just got off the water from fishing. Caught my first fish to break it in today. It was a nice 21, 23 inch lake trout. So we'll start out in the front here. Got the quick lock, dry hatch. Put anything in here. Rods maybe. There is a gasket on here, so it is pretty waterproof. I haven't had any problems with it yet. Got a Scotty rod holder, adjustable any way you want. Adjustable foot pegs, slide up and down. I did install a fish finder by Hawkeye. I'll do a separate video on that later. It's got the ErgoFit seat, nothing crazy, pretty thin. Scupper holes underneath them, plugged up. It is pretty comfortable. They've got a plastic support in the back, so it's pretty firm, not too bad. The two flush mount rod holders, sorry about the sun. I painted them black. I didn't like the orange. Got a dry hatch here. Put stuff in. Dry bag inside. It's pretty watertight. Onto the back. Last night I actually made this crate. Took 2 milk crates, cut the bottom off of one, the top off of one, sorry. Hinged it with some zip ties around here, and I'll do another video on how I made that. Basically all your fishing gear, everything in here locks down, and then in the back you got your drain plug right here, and this was my transducer mount for the fish finder. It pivots up and down, and also on the side here there is a quick lock for your oar, or paddle I mean. So you know, if you get done fishing, you want to just float around, put it in there. Also a nice water bottle holder here, nothing ridiculous, just cut out in the hull, holds it. Overall it's been pretty good. It's not the most stable, it is pretty stable. They say you can stand up in it, but I haven't really tried it yet because it is still pretty cold out. Also, it's make note of, it's made of the Ram X edition plastic. So pretty light, pretty rigid underneath. I picked this one up from Herb Phillipson's for 400 bucks. Pretty good deal. I'm very satisfied with it. My first kayak, I'm going to probably do some more mods to it. But thanks for watching, guys.